In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We're focusing on creating a clean, professional hanging indent for your references list, which is essential for formats like APA and MLA. A hanging indent means the first line of each entry stays flush with the left margin, while every subsequent line wraps in with a consistent indent. Start by opening your references in a Google Docs file. It's best if each citation is on its own line with no extra spaces at the start, and a blank line only where you truly want separation. This makes the formatting apply neatly to the whole section. If your references are mixed in with other text, consider placing them in their own section so you don't accidentally reformat the rest of your document. Next, highlight the exact block of text you want to apply the hanging indent to. Selecting only your references is important. This ensures other paragraphs or headings won't be affected. If you're formatting as you build your list, you can always add new entries later and reapply the same settings. With the text selected, go up to the top menu and click Format. From there, hover over Align and Indent to open the alignment tools. Then choose Indentation options. This opens a small settings window that controls how your paragraphs are indented. Inside that window, look for the section labeled Special Indent. This drop-down controls the style of indent applied to the selected text. Choose Hanging. This tells Google Docs to keep the first line aligned with the left margin and push the remaining lines inward. Set the indent value to 0.5. A half-inch hanging indent is the standard for most academic styles. If your document is set to centimeters, it will convert automatically. Half an inch is about 1.27 centimeters. Double check the number to keep your spacing consistent across entries. Click Apply to commit the change. Your references should immediately reflow so that all second and subsequent lines of each entry are indented, while the first lines remain aligned to the left. Scan through to make sure everything looks even and that no extra spaces are causing misalignment. If your style guide calls for double spacing, you can adjust line spacing separately without affecting the indent. That's it, your hanging indent is done. If you add more references later, simply highlight the new entries and repeat these steps to match the formatting. This quick workflow keeps your bibliography tidy, readable, and compliant with common style requirements.